Rachel, it's time to wake up. Mickey's waiting. Mickey's waiting. It's moving day. Yay. Good morning. It's about 9:20 on Monday morning. I have check-in at 9:45, so we're gonna leave in about 10 minutes. So excited, but I'm also nervous. I couldn't sleep last night. I kept being like thinking about all the different possibilities of what could happen. It's probably more scary this time, not knowing who my roommates are gonna be or what kind of apartment I'm probably gonna be living in. Like, I kept being nervous. I was like, what if I get a room with bunk beds? What if my roommates are mean? What if blah 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 blah? And so I just could not sleep last night, but that's okay. I'm ready for today. I'm ready to face whatever today gives me. Alright, so I don't know how much of the check-in and move-in process I'll film. I'll definitely talk about it later, but it's kind of hard to film with so much going on. I've got over here, I've got my itinerary all printed out and my boarding pass for moving in. So I'm ready. I've got everything. I've got my I-9 documents in my backpack, but I think that I'm good to go. So I'm really excited. Also really nervous. We're on our way to check in and the rain is just coming down. And it's supposed to rain all day long. So that's gonna be a lot of fun to move all my stuff in with. Alright, so I just finished up a check-in. I got all this stuff. I got my new ID. I like the pink. I had blue and brown IDs last time. And then I'm living in...
There we go.
And I'm living in 1204. It's a 4-bedroom, 8-person, just like my last program, so that's gonna be exciting. And then I got my communicator.
What number are you?
204. This is just a newsletter and a calendar with all the stuff that's going on this month. So now we're gonna move on in. All right, so I'm all moved in. This is one of my roommates, Erica. And then I'll show you all my room. It's basically the same as it looked last year. Same bedding, same corkboard, same everything. And then my roommate Madison, she's at Walmart right now. But I think it's funny, she has Avengers bedding and I have Star Wars bedding. We're like little nerds together. So, me and Eric are gonna go to casting together and get casting done. And I think while I'm at casting, my parents are gonna go to the grocery. I gave them like a list of stuff to get, so they're like my personal shoppers. So then we're gonna go to casting and then come back, and I think we were all talking about going to dinner, all the roommates together. We're here for casting. It makes me so sad they got rid of the Alice in Wonderland doorknobs up here.
Disappointing.
So I made it back from casting. This day feels like it has been like a whirlwind, like everything's just happening so fast. So I'll talk a little bit about check-in this morning. It was a little bit different from last year, although I think everything's been a little bit different, but it's gone faster. So I think that they change it a little bit every year to try to make it as streamlined and efficient as possible. So how check-in went. I came in, they scanned my dorms pass, gave me my program guide, and then after I got my program guide, they took my picture for my ID. I didn't like my picture as much as I did last year. I looked a lot cuter last year. Maybe I'm like older and wiser now, and I have wrinkles. But anyway, then after getting my picture taken, I went to the table where they like ask if you have a car, and they like put in your license information. So it was over pretty quickly. And then I moved in. I don't even know if I've met all my roommates. Like there's 8 girls here, and I feel like I just see a new one around the corner every time. And then, so we got everything moved in, and then me and Mom and Dad went and got lunch at Chick-fil-A, of course, and then I went to casting, and casting was a little bit different too. So I rode with my roommate Erica, and we went to the casting building and went in. It wasn't at all like last year when they had a bus designated for casting, and everyone got on the bus and off the bus at the same time and went into the big lobby room at the same time, and I don't know, it went a lot faster this time. So, and also another thing that changed was instead of getting your training schedule at casting, they emailed it to us. So I got my training schedule this morning. It wasn't at casting, which is something that they did last year, which I thought was pretty nice. I much prefer to have it emailed to me. I'm trying to remember what order everything happened in. So we came in and checked and signed a form that had all of our like information on it, like our birthday and social security number and like basic information like that. And then we went and got our pictures taken, which didn't happen last year. I think now they're putting pictures on the blue IDs even for CP, so that's kind of nice. And then after that, we went to get our fingerprints done, and it was a lot easier this time than last time. Last time my like ring finger and pinkies like weren't cooperating. And they said I might have to follow up with a background check or with additional information, but that didn't happen this time. And then after that, we turned in our I-9 documentation. So like I turned in my social security card and my driver's and my state ID that says that you're allowed to work in America. So, and that was about it. Like it went really quickly. It was pretty nice having it go by so fast. And it wasn't, even though we had a designated time, I went with Erica and her time was at 2 and mine was at 2:30, but we just went together and it wasn't really a big deal. Like the lines were moving super quickly. Like there wasn't even really a hold up or a line at all. And I also got, I'll show you, I put up some stuff on my corkboard here. I got this button that says Disney Alumni. So they gave that to me since I've been here before, but I'll go ahead and show you what I've put up on my corkboard. My parents are still at the grocery, so I'm waiting on them. But I have some of my buttons I've collected. Got a Keys to the Kingdom button, some of my pins, and then pictures. That's me and my boyfriend on the Hubgrass. That's me and my brother up there. It's me and my boyfriend. That's me and the Tim Tracker. That's us me and my boyfriend at the formal, and then that's my whole family, like my mom's side of the family. And I put up this Spaceship Earth poster that my boyfriend got for me, and some of these postcards that I bought, and also my last roommate gave me this one, and my brother gave me that one. And then over here, that's a little, like a mini tapestry of like moon phases. So I'm pretty satisfied with how my room is looking. I feel like I did definitely bring a lot less stuff this time, and that it was easier. Like I had, oh wait, my boyfriend's calling. Hello, so me and Mom are at the outlet store to get me some shoes for work, some all black athletic shoes. And we're gonna try the Nike store first and probably pop into the Character Warehouse store as well. Here we are, the Character Warehouse. I'm sure it's going to be insanely crowded in here, as it always is. They've got some of the State Fair shirts that I really like. I really like this Virginia one. I really like this purple Castaway Key shirt. I think that's cute with Mickey and Minnie looking out at the cruise ship. Star Wars dresses over here. It's kind of the Rebel dress and the... Oh, that's weird, this R2-D2 dress.
Ooh, I'll be right over there.
They've got the dress shop. Cinderella dresses. Allison hated these dresses. Fun fact. How much? $100 down from $200. I have a cool pin they've got. It's the villain from Big Hero 6, I think. And it's green. I don't know how much that is. This one has it. It's $4 for that pin. Pretty cool. Here's some princess pins from the half marathon. I've hated the style of these pins. I think that the princesses look This chunky puzzle is really interesting because at my daycare with my 2-year-olds, we had this exact same puzzle. It's here for $7. I've seen this before, this ink and paint book, The Women of Walt Disney Animation. It's here for, I know you can't see that, $42. I do love this Wilderness Lodge pillow. And that's here for $10. Love this 45th anniversary shirt. I would get that if it wasn't going to be really hot. Okay, so me and my boyfriend call this like style of Mickey douchebag Mickey because he looks like really mean, but he's made it to the outlets now in this t-shirt. Maybe I should get that for him. He would love it. Oh, it's reversible. I need to see what the inside looks like. So that's what the inside looks like, or the outside, depending on how you're wearing it. I really should, but it still has the tag there. That's funny. I really should get that for Lyle because he's getting 2 shirts in 1 with that. And it's his favorite version of Mickey Mouse. Lyle actually has this shirt and now it's here for $10, but it's a nice shirt. I'm glad that he got it because I love this shirt. I think Mickey's so cute as Santa there. Okay, so I'm in line now. I picked up one of these Christmas Carol Tsum Tsum mystery boxes. It was only $7. I also got this set of daisy pins from Merry My Christmas because it's also only $7. And I figure that's a good deal for 2 pins that I can trade. Then I got this Animal Kingdom Lodge sweatshirt. I stayed with my family at Animal Kingdom Lodge last fall and I really enjoyed it and I really love this sweatshirt. I think it's only $25, so very exciting. Okay, so back from the outlet mall, I'm in the hotel room that my parents are at. We're gonna have dinner with the roommates and their parents at about 7:30. It's 6 o'clock right now, 6:05. So at the outlet mall, I ended up getting a good pair of work shoes, all black sneakers. I'll show you guys those later. They're out in the car right now. And I got some socks for work, some just plain black and white socks for work. Gonna relax here for a little bit and then gonna go have dinner with the roommates and then I'm ready for bed. It has been a long day. It's been a whirlwind of just so much happening and so much exciting things going on. So I'm going to sleep hard tonight. I wanted to unbox this Tsum Tsum Christmas Carol mystery pack. This was $7 at the outlets, and there's 2 pins in here. So whatever I get, you know, I would be really happy with getting Mickey or Minnie in here. The rest of them I don't really care about. I would probably trade any of the rest of them, but we're gonna open it and see what there is. Okay, so out of the box are the 2 little blind bags. Feeling around a little bit. I don't know what I feel on these. I don't feel like ooh, that feels sharp like a bow. Let's see. Alrighty, so in this bag, will come out, there it is. Oh. Oh, that's like Pete, I think. I don't know what character he is in A Christmas Carol. It looks like Devil Pete with these like horns. Interesting. I'll have to research this and see what exactly character he's supposed to be. Interesting. And then in this bag, aww, it's Scrooge. Oh, I'm gonna keep that one. That one's really cute. I love Scrooge because I am Scrooge. I know I might get hate for this, but I am not a big Christmas person. It's not my favorite holiday, but I do really like Scrooge because he doesn't like Christmas either, at least for most of the movie. Alright, so just got back from Olive Garden, had a great dinner with all my roommates. Seems like we're all gonna click really well. Over here, this is my roommate. This is Madison.
Hello.
Beautiful, beautiful lady. So it's been a very long day, so I'm very much ready to just wash my face and crawl into bed. So I will update you all tomorrow when I have my housing meeting, and I think we might do resort hopping or Disney Springs or something like that tomorrow as roommates. So that's gonna be all for this one. Goodbye and have a magical day.